Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry Part 3. In Part 1 and Part 2, we have studied very important topic, that is trigonometry ratios, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. That is very important. Clear? That is fundamental. Always you have to remember what is sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse side. What is cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse side. What is tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. So here tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. That also you have to remember. Okay. While dividing sin theta and cos theta, you will get tan theta. That is opposite side by adjacent side you will get. Okay. Next very important thing you have to remember. Cosecant theta equal to reciprocal of sin theta. Secant theta equal to reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta equal to reciprocal of tan theta. So these concept always you have to remember. Okay, trigonometry means this is fundamental. You have to remember. Okay, so now in this part we are going to see trigonometry ratios of some specific angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, that trigonometry functions, that is sin theta, cos theta. For that we can find out the ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. So first we will see 30 degree and 60 degree. You see. Draw the diagram. Always a right triangle you have to draw. ABC you take. At B 90 degree. B 90 degree. So that it will be hypotenuse side. Okay. Hypotenuse side. This angle, the base angle you take for our convenience 30 degree. This will be 60 degree. This will be 60 degree. Understand? One angle 30 means another angle automatically 60 degree, because sum of the angle is 180 degree. Correctly you add, you will get 180 degree. Understand? So now you have to take the ratio. You have to remember this ratio also. Okay, here 1, 2, 3 you put, then square root. So 1, 2, 3. You have to start with perpendicular. Okay. Perpendicular side you start 1, 2, 3. Then root you put. Okay. Then definitely for this Pythagoras theorem will be satisfied. Okay. You can check also. Correctly it will be satisfied. Understand? So according to this angle, 30, 60, 90. Okay. The ratio is 1, 2, 3. Square root. Okay. Root 3. Base is root 3, perpendicular is 1, then hypotenuse is 2. So how to remember the ratio? That is very important. So you have to start with the perpendicular side 1, 2, then 3 you put. Okay, then at last root you put. For 3 you have to put root. So like this with idea you remember. Okay, you will not forget at all. Now easily we can calculate sin 30. What is sin 30 degree? Opposite side by hypotenuse, so 1 by 2. Okay, for understanding purpose, you write oppo by height. Oppo by height. Okay. Then cos 30. Cos 30 equal to 30 degree. Adjacent side is root 3. So root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Edge by height. For understanding purpose, I am writing. Okay. Now tan 30. Tan 30 is upper by edge. These two divide, means 2 to cut. That is 1 by root 3. That is upper by edge. Okay. This is 30 degree. Now 60 degree, I mean next what are cosecant 30 means just reciprocal, right? Cosecant 30. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. Now sec 30. Sec 30 you write. Reciprocal means 2 by root 3. Reciprocals. Okay. Cot 30 and cot 30. Tan ka reciprocal, that is root 3. Root 3 by 1 is root 3. Right. So for 30 degree, all the 6 trigonometric ratios you have to remember. Okay. Next we will see 60 degree. Same diagram. Diagram is same. But the opposite side you have to take 60 degree ka opposite side you have to take. Okay. So sin 60 first right. Sin 60 is 60 degree ka opposite side, that is root 3 by 2. Upper by height. Cos 60. Cos 60 is 60 degree adds. 60 degree adds. That is this. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Next is tan 60. Tan 60 is opposite side by adjacent side. That is what? Root 3 by 1 is root 3. Root 3 by 1 is root 3. Next cosec. Just reciprocal, that is 2 by root 3. Next sec. 2 by 1 is 2. Cot. Tan ka reciprocal. Root 3 by 1 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Root 3 ka reciprocal 1 by root 3. So these value always you have to remember. Okay. So next you have 45 degree. Next you have 45 degree. We'll see here. Further the separate diagram. Okay. For 45 degree, Pythagoras theorem you get root 2 because this angle is 45. One angle 45 means this also automatically 45. Third angle also 45. Both equal. Both equal means that opposite sides are also equal. Just an angles opposite to equal sides. Clear? Or equal. Understand? So by using Pythagoras theorem we will get root 2. This ratio always you have to remember. For 45 degree means now sin 45 how much? 1 by root 2. Getting a match. 45 degree opposite side. Any one you can take, both are same. So I am for my convenience I am taking this cover. But opposite side is 1 by root 2. Then cos 45. That is also 1 by root 2. Tan 45. That is also 1 because both are same. This by this will be 1. Now cosec, these three you find out means enough. Then automatically what taking reciprocal you can do. So cosec 45. Root 2 by 1 is root 2 sec 45. Root 2 cot 45. 1. Here 1 by 1 is 1. So these value always you have to remember. Okay. You practice means easily you can remember this. Okay. Another method also there for tabular column method, that also I will teach. Okay. Before that we will see 0 degree until 90 degree value also how to write. Okay. So this is a easy way because just you remember the diagram. You just to bring the diagram in front of your eyes. Clear? Then easily you can tell sin 30 1 by 2. Okay. You bring the diagram in front of your eyes. Okay. 30 there, 60 there means the ratio is what? 1 to 3 root you put. Okay. Then sin 30 means upper by hypo. That is 1 by 2. Clear? Then cos 30 means adj by hypo. That is root 3 by 2. Okay. The tan means upper by adj. That is 1 by root 3. So like this, using this diagram, easily you can remember the value. You no need to see the tabular column. Sometimes from the tabular column, you will pick out the correct value. Okay, while picking, we may commit mistake. But This one what you practice means you never commit mistake. Clear? That's why this is good method. Understand? Understanding method. This one. Tabular column is what? Just what? Blind method. That is. This is this method is what? Understanding method. Clear? So that you will not forget at all. 45-degree easily you can remember. Clear? The ratio remember. Ratio remember means clear. Easily we can write the values. Okay. Understand, in examination very fast you can, if you remember what means, very fast you can write. Clear? So next we will see 0-degree and 90-degree. Just to draw this diagram. Clear? Just imagine. Clear? Sine means hypo by hypo. Right? Sine means this one. So, but here this will be 0-degree means what will happen? You will not get perpendicular side. Okay, you will not get perpendicular side. That is AC and BC will be coincided. Clear? So that only it will be 0-degree. Understand? So 0-degree means what will happen? The opposite side is what? 0. Nothing is there. Opposite side or 0 opposite side. What? It will be coincide means no perpendicular side. Okay. So 0. Then that base is what? BC means 0 by anything 0. 0 by anything 0. Understand? Now cos 0. Cos 0-degree is what? Just think yourself. Cos 0-degree is this will be the 0. This will be 0 means this hypotenuse side will be coincide means, but BC by BC, that is 1. BC by BC 1. Understand? Now tan 0. Tan 0 means these two divide 0 by 1. 0 by anything 0, that is sin theta by cos theta. That is the what? Formula. Remember, like formula, sin theta, both divide means we will get. Okay, sin theta by cos theta, that is 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. 0 by 1 is 0. Understand? You can there is no opposite side, there is no perpendicular, so 0. 0 by base is what? 0. Like that also you can remember. Okay. Now cosec 0. Cosec 0 is reciprocal. Reciprocal of 0. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. That is 0 by 1. Okay, reciprocal of 0 is what? 0 by 1. That will take reciprocal means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 equal to not defined. 0 by 1 is 0. Reciprocal is what? 1 by 0. That will be not defined. Okay, that will be not defined. This is called not defined. Not defined cause simple infinity. Okay, not defined. Now 6 0. What is 6 0? 1 by 1. 1. 1 ka reciprocal? 1. Tan 0. Oh, sorry, cot 0. Cot 0 is tan ka reciprocal. 0 ka reciprocal again, not defined. Okay, so this is very important. It's very important. Clear? Now we will see 90 degree. We will see 90 degree. Same way. Same way 90 degree. We will see. Sin theta equal to this 90 means what? This AB and what? AC coinciding. Clear? You will not get any hypotenuse side. Okay, this both will be coinciding. This angle 90 means it is coming like this. So AB by AC. AB by AC. Understand? This both will be coincident. Then only it will be 90 degree. Okay. So AB by AC means 1. Sin 90 is 1. And cos 90. Cos 90 is base. There is no base. So this hypotenuse side will come means it will be coincide means what? You will not get any base at all. That is 0. Okay. 0 by 1, that is 0. Okay, cos 90 is 0. Now tan 90 is 1 by 0, that is 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay, 1 by 0 not defined. Tan 90 is not defined. Now cosec 90. Tan 90, understand, just divide 1 by 0, that is not defined. Okay, now we will get that is opposite. There is no base. There is no base. So that what? It will be 0. So 1 by 0 is not defined. Or anything by, suppose you are writing here what? AB. Anything by 0 is not defined. There, anything by 0 is not defined. Anyway, you can write. Cosec 90 is reciprocal of this 1 by 1 is 1. Sec 90. 0 ka reciprocal not defined. 0 ka reciprocal is what? 1 by 0, that is not defined. Now cot 90 is, remember, infinity ka reciprocal, that is 0. That is 0. Reciprocal of infinity is 0. That is 1 by infinity equal to 0. 1 by 0 equal to infinity. These two formula always you have to remember. Okay, 1 means anything also, any value by infinity is 0. Okay, any value by 0 is infinity. Understand, like this also you have to do. So this is very important. That is fundamental. Okay, easily you can remember also while doing practice. You can easily remember. Okay, understand. So in this these three, remember, means this one easily you can write. In these three, cos is in 0 degree cos is 1. Okay, then easily you can write. In these three, 90 degree sin 1 cos 0 means and not defined. Then easily you can write other three values. Understand? So now finding the trigonometry ratios of some specific angles. Okay. Finding the trigonometry ratios of some specific angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, how to find out the values by using tabular column. Okay, so you just remember 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, you know very well, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? This value you write. So next to what you have to do is, at last what you have written, 4 is written, divide with all the values, that means 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, divide it. So step by step correcting. First you are writing 0 to 4, okay, then at last value dividing with all the numbers. So next step what you have to do is taking square root for all the numbers. Take square root. So if you remember this method only, you can easily write the ratios, right? Now simplify and write 0 by anything 0, root is 0. 1 by 4, square root is 1 by 2, right? 2 by 1 is simplify first, then take root. 2 by 1, 2 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2. That is root is 1 by root 2, right? This is root 3 by 2. Simplify. Square root for numerator and denominator take separately. Numerator root is root 3. This is 2. This is 4 by 4 is what? 1. 1 ka root 2. 1. Okay. Like this you remember means first you will get here sin theta. Sin theta for theta value, that is theta value you write. That is first 0 degree this one in order correctly write. 30 degree standard values. Okay, this one. 45 degree, then 60 degree, then 90 degree. Okay, this is the method. Okay, if you write like this, then you will get sin theta, that is sin 0 is 0, sin 30 degrees 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, then sin 90 is 1. This is the easy method. Okay. So if you write first sin theta means enough. Now cos theta, easily you can write it. Just reciprocal you do. That is from the last you write 1, the next one root 3 by 2, then this one 1 by root 2, then this one 1 by 2, this is 0. Understand? Got it? Cos theta. For all the residues, cos theta you got it. First sin theta, then reversely write means cos theta you will get. Now tan theta, how will you do? Tan theta nothing but I told you sin by cos. So just divide means 0. 0 by 1, 0. These two divide means denominator common, cancel means 1 by root 3. These two cancel means 1. These two cancel means root 3 by 1 is root 3. 1 by 0 is not defined. Remember always 1 by 0 is not defined. Cosec theta. Cosec theta very simple. Reciprocal of sine. 0 ka reciprocal not defined. 1 by 2 reciprocal 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal root 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal 2 by root 3. 1 ka reciprocal 1. Theta. Sec theta is just a reversely right. Even you can take reciprocal of cos, but already we have, so just we are on seeing reversely right, that is better. Very fast you can write. Infinite. Cot theta nothing but reciprocal of tan right, that is root 3. This one 1. This one 1 by root 3. See, root 3 means root 3 by 1. So that reciprocal is 1 by root 3. How to remember? Okay. Root 3 ka reciprocal 1 by root 3. Infinity ka reciprocal 0. 0 ka reciprocal infinity. Infinity ka reciprocal 0. You have to always. So this tabular column is very important. Always you have to remember. Okay. So easily you can draw the tabular column and you can correctly how to write the value. Suppose tan 45 means you tan theta where 45 there. Yes. Tan 45 1 like this you have to find out. Now tan 90 means tan 90 is infinity. Clear? Now secant 45. Secant 45 is secant 45 is here. So root 2. Understand? So correctly how to write. Understand? So when you use this tabular column means correctly how to pick out the value. Okay, if you use diagram method is so easy. You just what? Bring the diagram in front of your eyes and you can easily calculate. For sin 45 means immediately you bring the diagram 1 1 root 2. Clear? So sin 45 means 45 degree base angle there. That is opposite side by hypotenuse. So 1 by root 2. Okay, that is easy method. Exercise 8.2, the first problem, evaluate. Evaluate means finding the value. Here first one you see, sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Sin 60 degree sine, that is root 3 by 2. Correctly write, that is equal to root 3 by 2 into cos 30 also root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Now simplification only, you see trigonometry part is over. Just putting the correct value, trigonometry part is over. Okay, now algebra, you have to what? Find out simplification. Clear? Do the simplification. That means numerator and numerator. Root 3 into root 3, 3. by 2 into 2, 4, plus 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. Now 4 you take LCM. That means 3 plus 1. So that is 4 by 4. That is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Okay. So the value of this problem is 1. Understand? So simple. Clear? Just to put the value, correct value, you have to put sin 60 ka value root 3 by 2. Cos 60 ka value, cos 30 ka value root 3 by 2. Like that you put the value and simplify means you will get a correct answer. Okay. So next we will see the first problem, second one. You see square is there, you have square. Okay. So what you have to write, you rewrite better. This can be written as tan 45 degree whole square you can write. Okay. This can be written as cos 30 degree the whole square. Minus this can be written as sin 60 degree the whole square. Just to rewrite it. Then only easily you will understand. Or directly also you can put the value. But whole square you should not forget. Correctly. Okay. When you rewrite means you will not get any confusion. Okay. Easily you can put the value. Now you see. Tan 45. Just to remember, tan 45, the ratio diagram, remember. 1, 1. Opposite side by hypotenuse, that is 1, 1. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 ka whole square. Put the value in the bracket. Okay, when putting the value, see tan 45 fully you are putting the value. Again, you should not write tan 1. You should not write. Okay, tan you should not write. Only for tan 45 is 1. Okay, again you should not write the function. Clear? Try to understand. Okay, because I have seen many students, they will write again tan 1 they will write. You should not write like that. Okay, correctly you put the value, then whole square. You have to do the whole square. That is very important. Now cos 30. Okay, cos 30, you just recall that diagram, 30 degree here. So 1, 2, 3 root there. So 30 degree adjacent side, that is root 3. Hypotenuse side is 2. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 you write. Then 4 squared. Sin 60. 60 degree is vertical. Opposite side is what? Root 3. Hypotenuse side 2. So root 3 by 2. So very simple, okay. Just to recall the diagram and easily we can write it. Okay. Bring the diagram in front of your eyes means easily you can write. That is the technique. Okay. So 1 square is 1 into 2 is 2 plus root 3 square is 3 by 2 square is 4 minus 3 by 4. Now 1 plus 3 by 4, 1 minus 3 by 4 get cancelled. So the answer is 2. Okay, after putting the value, easily you can simplify. Okay. Now we will see the third problem. Cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 30 degree. This is very important problem. Okay. You have to practice. Cos 45. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2. So without seeing the table, using the diagram, easily you can write there. Secant 30. So while writing secant 30, you just recall the cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Plus cosecant 30. Sin 30. 1 by 2. Right. So cosecant 30 means 2. Sin 30 reciprocal. That is cosecant 30 is 2. Understand? So this is the proper method. Okay. Easily you can write the value without mistake. Now this trigonometry part is over. Now this one is just what algebraic part. You have to simplify this, right? That is equal to 1 by root 2 by whole divided by, right? Correctly. Here root 3 is common. Root 3 is common. You check root 3 is common. That means 2 plus 2 root 3. Just to multiply root 3. Now what you have to do here, whole divided means this you have to what? Take reciprocal while doing into. This can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 into This will be reciprocal. 2 plus 2 root 3. Now just to multiply, numerator into root 3. Now here this root 2 multiply means, or root 2 you take root 2 multiply, that is better. Root 2 multiply means 2 root 2 plus 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 3. You can multiply, right? Root 2 into root 3, root 6. That can be possible. Yeah. Now this 2 you take common. Common means root 6 plus root 2. If you have doubt, you multiply and say root 2 into root 6, root 6. For my convenience, I am taking root 6, biggest number first. Okay. This is multiply means you will get correctly. So why I am taking is, you have to take conjugate. You have to take conjugate because the denominator is what? Irrational number. You have to make it rationalize. Okay, in 9th class you might have studied. Okay, do rationalize. Clear? So here you have to what? Take conjugate means root 6 minus, change the sign, opposite sign by same thing. Okay. Now easily we can simplify this. Root 3 into numerator into numerator, that is root 3 into root 6 minus root 2 divided by 2 into, you see here we are getting the form a plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b is what? A squared, that is root 6 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square. Right? Understand? Now this root 3 you multiply. Root 3 you multiply. Just multiply root 18 minus root 6 by, say root 3 I am multiplying. Root 3 into root 6 is root 18. This will be root 6. Here 2 into 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Right. This is nothing but root over 9 into 2 minus root 6, keep as it is. So here 2 into 4. 2 into 4. So root 9 you know, that is 3. 3 root 2 you can write. This can be written as root 9 ka 3. Root 2 you cannot do. Keep as it is minus root 6 by 8. Root 6 by 8. So this is the correct answer.